on the glide, go we gon' take all your motherfucking top. We them young and we clean, we swiping your block. And I'm not fucking with you, cause your brother's a op. Get them out in the store and I punch on the clock. I be having that Zimmer, come get you a bag. Ain't spit for your foe, but steady gon' outside. Boy, you a bitch with a foe, was your dad. I be whipping the charger, they be like to go.
So this is my second package for the goddamn, you know what I'm saying, Mustang. Let's go ahead and open these boys up. Shout out American Muscle. Just to match the Euros a little bit. I don't really know if I'm gonna go in from the back end or the bottom end. I'm gonna figure out and tune y'all back in 1 second. Before I install the lights though, this is the comparison. See the Euros still in there, still looking like him. Try to hit the key real quick. Show you what it look like. It's a little dull. Cold start. Y'all about to go ahead and swap these out though. So the easiest way I found was to just come on the ground. I kind of already pushed it out, but reach in there, pop it out, come out here. You know what I'm saying? And connect it without breaking it. Easy. Grab the new boy. Oh wait, I need that. Hold on, BRB. So yeah, just plug that in, push this in here, and yeah, just plug that bad boy in and push this one in there. But that's such a clean look for real. I'll do the same thing on the other side. But here go a little comparison with the lights on. Well, this is before. You come over here, turn the lights on. So much brighter. And a full LED. This one's just so, you know what I'm saying? And it didn't cost that much for real. Just give it so much of a clean look. I'm blacking out the badges next, so stay tuned for that too. Yeah, I'm back up under the car, back up on the ground. Just come in here ready. Get this tab right here. I feel like cooperate. Just push that. It's a little easy little method. Go ahead and put this in for y'all and turn y'all back in when I got the full thing in. And yeah, just like that. I was fully swapped over. Need one more little walk around. These with the Euros complement each other so much. But yeah, that's it. Next I'm gonna replace them, I guess. And then like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and order these this week, blacked out badges. So yeah, that'll do TV. Appreciate the tune in.
Switch on the glide, go we gon' take all your motherfucking top. We them young and we clean, we swiping your block. And I'm not fucking with you, cause your brother's a op. Get them out in the store and I punch on the clock. I be having that Zimmer, come get you a bag. Ain't spit for your foe, but steady gon' outside. Boy, you a bitch with a foe, was your dad. I be whipping the charger, they be like to go. I'm screaming.